Okay guys, welcome back to another video. It's a boy Noah. Today we'll be pulling the fire alarm, so let's go. Oh god. Oh no. Oh wait, no. Hold up. Oh jeez. That's loud. I need it, my god. Sorry man, but I hate this one. Honestly, oh yeah, I need a... Why did I pull the fire alarm? So that is all, but we're gonna test some more fire alarms. So we're gonna test. I'm gonna test. Which fire alarm should I test? Oh, I'm gonna test that fire alarm. Let's go. Oh geez, nope, that's not. That is that. Wait, guys, I think I gotta go. So that's gonna be it for today. I think it's enough for these stupid alarms. See you tomorrow.